Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Power BI desktop latest version on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all operating systems. Okay, first go to microsoft.com, then search for Power BI, enter, then see here we have the download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official Microsoft download center. Click on it. I will keep this link in the video description. Okay, then first check the system requirements. See, you must have any one of these operating systems. Okay, then select the language from this list and click on download. See here we have the setup.exe file and 64 one. So I am going to download the 64-bit one. So select it and click on download. No need to restart. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 796 megabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then click on this Power BI desktop setup exe file. Then select the language from the list. Then click on next. Click on next. Select this checkbox, that is I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click on next. See, this is the destination directory. If you want some other, click on browse and select the path. I am okay with the default one, so click on next. See here, ready to install Power BI desktop, and see here the checkbox, create a desktop shortcut. If you don't want, unselect it. Then click on install. See, installation has been started. It is very simple and straightforward installation. See, we have successfully installed. If you want to launch the Power BI desktop, with the checkbox and finish. Otherwise, go to all applications. See here, recently installed one. Okay, go to applications. Then see here we have the Power BI desktop. Both are same. So keep the checkbox and click on finish. It will open the Power BI desktop application. Now click on this blank report. See, you can import data from Excel or SQL Server, or paste data into blank table, or use the sample data. Okay, and see here we have the visualization templates, like see here bar chart, stacked column chart, and different options are there. See, in this data we don't have anything because not yet added anything. So once we add, once we click on it, we will get the information. If you want add data, click on get data. See here we have these options, but if you want more options, like click on more. Suppose if you want to connect MySQL or PostgreSQL, search here PostgreSQL, then we have to select. The same way if you want MySQL, just for MySQL, see, you got the MySQL database. Now I am going to get data from PostgreSQL because PostgreSQL is installed. Okay, in this video we are going to see how to connect both PostgreSQL and MySQL servers. Search for PostgreSQL, then select the PostgreSQL database, then click on connect. PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so give localhost. If it is on some other machine, then provide that machine information. And I have the database. See, I have the database sales. Okay, provide the name of the database, then click on OK. Then username, provide the existing user, then click on connect. Click on OK. See here, now we have to select tables. Okay, I am going to select sales. Then you have to click on load. See here it is loading. See, we have data from the sales. Okay, so select any one of these visualization options, select product ID, then sales amount. Okay, like this we have to select. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Power BI desktop on Windows 11 operating system. Then we have seen how to connect, how to get data from PostgreSQL server. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.